Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on Tradingview for free, so you can begin analyzing the markets and using professional grade charts without spending a single dollar. Let's get into it. First, access the Tradingview portal. To begin, you'll want to head to the main platform where all the tools are hosted. Go to tradingview.com and look for the large Get Started button in the top right corner. This will take you directly to the comparison page where you can see all the different tiers available for traders in 2026. Next, understand the pricing page. Before we sign up, it's important to see what's on the table. Tradingview displays their Essential, Plus, and Premium plans here. While these paid plans offer 30-day free trials, they will eventually require a subscription fee. These are great if you need 25 indicators per chart or 400 alerts, but many traders don't need that much power when starting out. Scroll down past the paid tiers until you see the basic plan. Lastly, sign up for the $0 Forever plan. This is the hidden gem for beginners. Tradingview offers a version of their platform that is completely free of charge. Locate the sign-up link. It often says $0 forever or start for free. Unlike the free trials for the paid plans, this basic account does not require a credit card or any payment information. You can use your Google, Apple, or email account to create your login. Once verified, you have full access to the world's best charts, live data for most assets, and the ability to save one layout. And that's pretty much it. To get Tradingview for free in 2026, click Get Started, navigate the pricing page to find the basic plan, and sign up for a $0 Forever account. This gives you all the essential tools you need to trade, like the Pine editor, basic indicators, and social features without any monthly commitment. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.